Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokachan channel. Learning English fast for free. Today we're going to talk about last year's habits by using used to in a form of conversations. The used to forms mean always in the past or past habits. Dulu, biasa, atau kebiasaan, diwaktu, lalu. Let's start the lesson now. Do you get up early, John?
Yes, I do. I wake up early every day.
What about last year? Did you get up early last year too?
No, I didn't. I used to get up late every morning.
You go to work at about 9 o'clock, don't you?
Yes, I leave the house at about 8:45 a.m.
What about last year? Did you go to work at the same time?
No, I didn't. I used to go to work much later.
Did you ever oversleep?
Yes, sometimes I used to oversleep.
What time did you finish working every day?
I used to finish working at about 5:30 every day.
You used to go to the movies a lot, didn't you?
Yes, I did. I used to go about once a week.
Did you used to listen to the radio very much?
Yes, I did. I used to listen to the radio every day.
Where did you study last year?
Last year, I studied at the university for 3 months.
Did you used to work in the afternoons?
No, I used to work just on Saturdays.
Do you get up at the same time this year as you did last year?
No, last year I used to get up earlier every morning.
Do you have breakfast at the same time as you used to?
No, last year I used to have breakfast earlier every day.
Do you leave the house at the same time as you used to?
No, last year I used to leave the house much later.
Do you go to the movies this year as often as you did last year?
Yes, I do. I go to the movies about once a week.
Do you know as many interesting people as you used to?
Yes, I know just as many interesting people as I used to.
Did you used to get up early every morning?
Yes, I used to wake up early and get up at 6 o'clock.
Did you ever oversleep?
No, I hardly ever used to oversleep.
What time did you use to go to work each day?
I nearly always used to leave for the work at 7:30 a.m.
What time did you use to have lunch every day?
I used to have lunch at a different hour every day.
You used to work until about 6 o'clock, didn't you?
Yes, I used to work until a few minutes after 6 each day.
We used to have a lot of interesting friends, didn't we?
Yes, we did. Do you remember our friend Walter Sullivan?
Yes, I remember him. He used to work with us, didn't he?
That's right. That was last year.
He was always late to work. Do you remember?
Yes, he used to oversleep every morning.
He didn't have an alarm clock. He never used to wake up on time.
He used to sleep sometimes until 10 o'clock.
All of us used to have lunch together.
That's right. And once in a while, we used to go to the movies.
Where is our old friend Walter now? Do you know?
I really don't know. He used to write me a letter occasionally. That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give comment. Goodbye.